Hi everyone. Today I thought I would jump on and do a quick video sharing all of the things that I got for Christmas this year. Most of them were generously gifted by my family, but there were one or two things that I generously gifted to myself. So I'm excited to share all of them with you, as I know I will be probably doing deep dives on a good number of these in my future content as well. So be sure to watch and hang tight until the end, as I will be doing a Louis Vuitton bag reveal that couldn't fit in the screen here, so that might be a hint. So if we haven't met, my name is Jo, and I'm a lover of all luxury bags and beauty. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe, and be sure to click the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So first, let's start with a brand that I had never tried, but it had always been on my wish list, and that is Sézane. So I have seen their gorgeous bags and all of their beautiful clothing, and they did have an offer for a free gift. I went ahead and made this purchase on behalf of my husband, saying, "This will be part of my Christmas gift, so thank you in advance." So first off, let's talk about this packaging. I'm going to keep this packaging. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm never going to use it again, but it's so pretty. Okay, so I already opened this, of course, but I rewrapped it for the full experience, because this also came with a beautiful pouch. This is like a velvet pouch. So this was the free gift with purchase, and it was, I think you only had to spend $50 to get this as well. Again, it matches like the whole theme of their packaging. And get this, the interior has this stripe in it. If you know me, you know I love a pouch. Like, I'm a sucker for a pouch, but a pouch with good lining in it is just, that's chef's kiss. I am 100% sold. What I purchased was this in this little dust bag here. And it is, I believe it was called the Alfred wallet. This is a, surprise, surprise, a really flat card holder. It has a zipper section. It is in my absolute favorite color of brown, like that really rich, deep cognac brown. And you guys, it smells really good. It smells like just rich leather, and you can see just like the finish on it. It is so beautiful. And for free, they also let you monogram it. So I have my initials there. It is very well made. Everything looks really great on it. And again, it was the whole experience of, you know, the dust bag, the extra beautiful pouch, the beautiful packaging. Everything about this experience was great. So I'm a huge fan. I'm really excited to try more items from the brand. This was, I believe, $75 at the time. So honestly, I feel like that's a pretty reasonable price, given it is such a beautiful leather, a really beautiful product. So yeah, I was really excited about this one. And now we have a bag from Tory Burch. So I won't lie, it has been a while since I have actively looked at Tory Burch bags. I stumble across them once in a while when I'm going to the outlets, and I'll walk through the Tory Burch outlet, but I haven't purchased a Tory bag online in a long time from this brand. But I've come to realize, like, there are so many great brands out there that are really coming back around. And, you know, now that I've started to jump back into more of the contemporary brands like Coach and Marc Jacobs, I was like, you know what, I'm going to give Tory another shot. So this was a gift from my family. And first off, this dust bag is new. I remember they used to have like the classic white ones, but this is kind of a vibe, and I'm kind of into it. So let's dig in. All right, so this is the bag. This is the Mini Perry. It is very similar in size to the Neverfull BB, the one with the zip top. And I fell in love with this because of the color. And I do feel like it's coming up like, I think a little more forest green in my screen, but in real life, it's a very rich, like deep grass green. And so I do think it's a bag that I could wear year round because I think it will look nice in the spring with some like light pink accents and things. So for example, I added some bag charms on here. These two here are from Maison de Sabre. They gifted them to me. How cute are they? Look at this bumblebee. This is an AirTag holder. So, so cute. I'll be sure to link these below. But do you see what I mean of, I feel like I can wear this in the spring and in the summer as well. If I accessorize it right, it's just such a good green. I think here you can kind of see more of the true shade of green on it. And in the interior of the bag, it's quite spacious. It comes with a crossbody strap that attaches not catty corner, but on the sides. So I was very pleased about that. But yeah, I just think this is a really gorgeous bag. And this one was a good price. This one was $300. I just saw that they have this bag on sale in navy blue. I think it's like 50% off, and in the red color as well. So I'll be sure to link those two below in case you guys are interested. But yeah, I am legitimately very excited about this bag. Let me know if you would like a full review on this. I would be really happy to share all of my thoughts on it. All right, let's unbox some of my Louis Vuitton items that were kindly gifted by my husband. So first we'll open this one, and I think you'll know what it is by the bag shape, but I have been wanting to try Louis Vuitton perfumes for some time now. So I got the Attrape Rêves, I think. I'm sorry if I'm totally slaughtering that pronunciation, but this is the perfume. It's their most popular one, I believe, and I absolutely love this one. I've used almost all of my samples, so I was really excited to get a full bottle. All right, and then these were straight up surprises. I was not expecting these from my husband, but he got me another lipstick, as well as the eyeshadow. And I was not going to buy this originally because I was like, this is so expensive. I wasn't really willing to invest in it. So it's kind of exciting to be able to get this because this is not something I would have splurged on for myself. So it was very thoughtful of him. And I will say, I mean, this feels very luxe. So here is the colorway that he got me, which he knows me well. I'm very much neutral when it comes to my makeup. So I am very excited to have this in my collection. It really is just very beautiful package. And then he also got me another lipstick, and I am really excited about this shade actually. So here is the shade. Her lipsticks are really nice. Consistency is really, really nice. These are definitely a splurge item. These are expensive and they definitely hold the luxury price tag to them. So I'm very excited to have more of it in my collection. And yeah, they are very sweet gifts. All right, next is a purchase from Madewell that was more of a gift to myself. And this is the large belted satchel. And I got this during the Black Friday sale because everything on their site was 40% off. So this bag, I think, was like $170, $180, and it's usually in the like $250, $260 price range. So I was really excited to find it for such a good price. And so I have been looking recently for more work bags. And this one I saw somebody review, and they noted that it can fit a full-size laptop, and it can also just be used as like an oversized kind of slouchy bag. And so I decided to give it a try, and I'm really glad I did because this suede is really, really nice, and I love the chocolate color. And so since I bought this, I also decided to buy a few accessories. So I got this little pouch. You know me and pouches, guys. You know I am a sucker for these. And what I love about this pouch is the fact that it is designed to be wider at the bottom. So on the key pouch, for example, you see how it's just two pieces of canvas sewn together. But this one, you can see that there is a seam right here. So it's actually intended to have like a thicker bottom to it versus this one that tapers at the bottom. So this pouch actually can fit a lot, and it fits the same amount as my Key Pouch S and can fit even a little bit more, which is pretty impressive given it's shorter than the Key Pouch. And so I'm really impressed with this. I really, really like it. Again, the suede is really pretty, and they have a green suede version of this that is currently on sale as of the 28th of December for $27. So $27 for a beautiful suede pouch that is really spacious. I really would highly recommend it. I also got I think this is called the cosmetics pouch or makeup pouch in suede, because again, this one was also on sale. And the green one, again, is on sale for I think like 50% off right now. This is such a nice, spacious pouch. And it can be a great pouch, not only for makeup and cosmetics, but I'm planning to use it for like tech products and like a pencil case and holding all the things that I might need for work. So I'm really excited about this. So yeah, I just love this whole set together. Again, I really think that Madewell just makes incredible products that are just a beautiful quality, and the pricing on it I think is just really fair, really great for what you get. Like the suede is just so nice. So if you happen to be looking for any suede products or just haven't checked out Madewell's bags, I would definitely recommend giving them a go. All right, and now we have a few other beauty products I got from my family. We'll start with Hermes first. This is definitely just one of those things that I would never splurge on by myself, but I love to receive it as a gift. Look at this eyelash curler. How beautiful is this? Like, I don't know if I can get the details in here. So this is just their standard eyelash curler. It's stupidly expensive, but it's so pretty. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I just end up using this in content. Like, I don't even know how. I don't pack an eyelash curler in my bags, but maybe in like my flat lays or something. It's so pretty. So yeah, I have no idea whether this works well or not. I'll have to report back, but I got it because it was beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. And then I got two new DIOR products that I have been itching to try. I got the blush, their stick blush. This is in the shade Rosewood, I believe. Their products are just so beautiful, and I've been hearing such great things about this particular blush. And so I haven't tried it yet, which is why I'm not swatching it today. But I will report back. I like to do recommendations on beauty products. Let me know if you'd like me to do more of that type of content. So this is one of their new lip products. It's their Coated Shine Lipstick. From what I understand, it's supposed to be long lasting, but it also has a shine to it. And I got the shade Confident Nude, and I am so, so excited to try it. I will say one of the things that I do get annoyed with sometimes is I'll get products and I want to try them right away, and then I'm like, no, I gotta swatch them. I gotta film myself unboxing. So I haven't gotten to try these yet, but once I do get to film them, I will definitely try them out. All right, and the last item I got for Christmas, which was a split of a gift from my husband, and I did contribute to it as well because it was a little bit pricey. This you may have seen in my Instagram stories. I was not expecting to make a purchase that day, but I saw it and I tried it on and I fell in love. Here she is, the Speedy 30, specifically the Soft Speedy. And I don't know, guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I can't believe I bought this bag because this is so not me in the sense of I am a mini bag girl. What am I doing with a Speedy 30? But look at it. It's so beautiful. It's so squishy. Like, I have been reading reviews and people were like, the Soft Speedy really is softer and smushier, and it truly is. It really is. It just feels so slouchy in a very luxurious way. It smells so good, and a big part of that is because the interior is lined in leather. And yeah, I have put all of my things inside of it. I've walked around my house with it on because I'm so excited. I haven't really left my house yet since Christmas, so I haven't actually gotten to try it out yet. But yeah, I had tried it on in the store and thinking I wasn't going to like it, but I just wanted to see what it would look like. And I just love how it felt because I thought it was going to be extremely bulky or just look really weird. But wearing it on my shoulder was so surprisingly comfortable. And yeah, I realized, you know, I am going to branch out a little bit. I think this coming year, I want to try new things and kind of step out a little bit of my comfort zone. And so I've just been a mini bag girl through and through. And I think it will be nice for me to have one or two larger bags in my collection that I can use. So it is a little more diversity to my collection in that sense. I'm really smitten by this. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense. Love works in mysterious ways. But I just love the colors. I love this interior pop of red. I do love the bag charms that it came with. I've already put together my combination of other bag accessories that I'm going to add to this to really make it my own. And so I'm really excited to share more with you. I'm excited to share what I'm going to put inside of it. So definitely keep an eye out for my full review as well as my short form content on this gorgeous bag. So that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I just feel so loved and so spoiled this year. It really was a great way to end the year, and I'm really excited to share full reviews on some of the items that I shared today. So definitely share in the comments below if there's anything specific you would like full reviews on, or my thoughts on more as I try out more of these products. As always, if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of this community. If you haven't already, be sure to watch my other video on my best bags of 2025. I am doing a giveaway on that post, so be sure to watch and enter so you can participate. And if you'd like to watch more of my other content, I'll be sure to leave a full playlist here, and YouTube will leave their recommendation here. Otherwise, bye for now.